In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see scheduled emails in Outlook. If you've sent or prepared an email to go out later and want to check on it, Outlook makes that process pretty simple once you know where to look. This is especially useful if you want to review a message before it sends, make last-minute edits, or change the timing so it goes out at a better moment. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the main email view. Once Outlook is open, click on Mail so you're looking at your inbox and all of your mail folders. This is the section where you can access your regular messages, drafts, and any email that is waiting to be sent. Next, click on Drafts. This is where you can find unfinished emails, including messages you may still be working on or emails you saved before sending. If your scheduled email was saved there as part of your workflow, this is a good place to check first. Take a moment to look through the messages until you find the one you want to review. You may also notice that certain folders or sections can be added to favorites for quicker access. If the message or folder you need is there, simply click it to open the email. Once the email is open, you can review the subject line and content carefully. If needed, you can change the title to something like Urgent, or update the wording so the email better matches what you want to send. If you need to adjust the timing, this is also the moment to reschedule it. Double-check the date and time before confirming any changes. It's always a good idea to make sure the message is going out at the correct time zone and on the intended day, especially if it's an important business or follow-up email. Once you're done reviewing and making any edits, click Send. If the email is set up to send immediately, it will go out right away. If you've updated the schedule, Outlook will hold it until the new delivery time. And that's all it takes to see and manage a scheduled email in Outlook. As a quick tip, always reread scheduled emails before the final send, especially if they were written in advance. A small edit can make a big difference in clarity and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.